Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to add multiple location in Instawork. To add multiple location in Instawork, log into your company dashboard and navigate to the account center by clicking the free horizontal line in the top right corner. Then select location. Then click add a new location. Enter the location name and address and use the map to adjust the pin. So to the exact spot where professionals should clock in. You can also set a geofence by drawing a virtual perimeters around the worksite, ensuring that professionals can only clock in within this area. Additionally, provide details such as parking information, venue type, and any specific introduction to help professionals locate and access the site efficiently. So once you've added multiple locations, you can assign shifts to any of them when posting new opportunities. The flexibility allows you to manage staffing across various sites seamlessly. So if you need to edit any existing location, return to the location section in the account settings, then select the location you wish to modify and update the necessary details. Regularly reviewing and updating your location information ensure that professionals have accurate details, leading to smoother checks and successful shift completion. And that's it.